Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys sound vibration setting, and today video title guys how to set ringtone in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone in your iqoo mobile, how to set ringtone one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you can adjust phone volume from here. And friends, you want to on vibrate for call setting. So friends, you can on vibrate for call setting from here, and you can on vibrate for call setting from here. Friends, again scroll friends, you want to use do not disturb, so you can on do not disturb setting. Friends, click your ringtone, and friends, which ringtone do you like guys? Select your ringtone. So I will select this ringtone, lifestyle ringtone, and friends you can check ringtone will set, and friends you can increase ringtone volume from here. Right side increase, left side you can decrease. So like that friends, you can set ringtone in your iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to set notification ringtone, sound alarm ringtone, so friends scroll it. Friends, click on notification ringtone setting, and friends you can on notification ringtone from here. Select your ringtone sound, and friends you can check notification ringtone will set. And friends, you want to on alarm ringtone, you want to set alarm ringtone, select your ringtone sound, and friends ringtone will set. And you can increase ringtone volume, alarm volume from here. And friends, you want to change your phone ringtone, so open your phone ringtone setting, and friends you want to set custom ringtone, so friends click here, select your custom ringtone sound, and you can set custom ringtone in your iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.